How to access object attribute given string corresponding to name of that attribute. How do you get the values of attributes of t given by x?
There are built-in functions called getAt and setAt. In this case,
note, this answer is very outdated. It applies to Python 2 using the new module that was deprecated in 2008. There is Python built-in functions setAttr and getAttr, which can use to set and get the attribute of an class. A brief example.
If you want to keep the logic hidden inside the class, you may prefer to use a generalized getter method like so. Outputs. Another apparat that could hide it even better would be using the magic method __get_attribute__, but I kept getting an endless loop which I was unable to resolve when trying to retrieve the attribute value inside that method. Also note that you can alternatively use vars. In the above example, you could exchange getAt, self, var name, by return vars, self, var name, but getAttr might be preferable according to the answer to what is the difference between vars and setAttr.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.